Hi everyone, I'm Chef Jade, and today we are going to talk about tacos. In my opinion, the tastiest Mexican meal, and yet so easy to make. So, what is a taco? It's basically a crispy or soft tortilla made of corn or wheat that is folded or rolled and stuffed with a mixture of meat, cheese, and veggies, mostly lettuce, onion, and cilantro. What makes for a great taco? Of course, this is a very subjective question, but one thing that all my favorite tacos certainly have in common is scratch-made tortillas torn off from a mound of fresh masa, hand-pressed and thrown on the griddle. Pre-packaged tortillas may be cheaper and more convenient, but they just can't give you that burst of fresh corn flavor that I love about tacos. The other thing is fresh, scratch-made salsa, especially when they have colors such as vibrant red, green, and orange, basically very hot. There are also many regional varieties. Monterrey in northern Mexico is home to tacos de cabrito, which translates to little goat, kid tacos. Kid goat, often cooked whole over an open flame, is chopped up and stuffed into tacos. In the northern state of Sonora, carne asada tacos reign supreme. These tender cubes of marinated steak are also very popular here in the States. And on Mexico's Baja Peninsula along the Pacific coast, you're as apt to find flour tortillas as corn. Often these tortillas are filled with fresh-caught fish. Finally, the most famous ones are tacos al pastor. These pork tacos are cooked on a spit in the style of Middle Eastern shawarma. The similarities to Middle Eastern cooking are no coincidence. These delicious tacos can be traced back to the many Middle Eastern immigrants who settled in central Mexico. Al pastor roughly translates to shepherd style, a reference to the Middle Eastern practice of cooking lamb on a vertical spit. While I couldn't try these meaty tacos, I saw them just about everywhere in Mexico City. So now, let me recommend my top 5 taquerias in Mexico City. El Tizoncito, a place that specializes in delicious spit-roasted pork tacos. They claim to have invented tacos al pastor back in the 1960s. This claim has been subject to much debate, but this iconic taqueria no doubt popularized this flavorful taco and has been serving some of the best versions of them for decades. El Huequito. This popular taqueria, with several locations across the capital, also claims to have invented the al pastor taco. While it might be hard to determine who wins the prize for originality, you can always try both. Los Cocuyos. This downtown taqueria is open 24 hours and specializes in tacos like suadero, brisket, and tacos de cabeza, steamed cowhead. Por Siempre Vegana is a popular street-side stall that slings vegan tacos and tortas. For my fellow vegans, this place is a godsend. And the last one, Con Vista al Mar here, the specialty is the Acapulco, a perfectly grilled fish taco with red cabbage slaw, fried beans, and a chili mayo sauce. Well, I hope you want to eat a taco now just as much as I do. If you enjoyed this video and you want to check out more, go visit www.cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.